here in beautiful Teluluiwak. Absolutely stunning community. First time Braden and I've ever, well, we were here in the airport in June, but you know, really, this is the first time we've ever had any meetings here. Tonight, we have our service over at the community center. Really excited about that, man. I mean, hope is an amazing thing, and it's something that inspires change in people's lives, and that's an incredible thing. We're giving away a prize here at the community center, and honestly, just really looking forward to it. So we were here all day yesterday, and here today, Saturday, and tomorrow we'll be flying to Cambridge Bay, and then Kugluktuk later this week. Excited. We're really excited. So we just finished up our evening meeting here in Teluluiwak. Filmed and being filmed. It's like the, what is that movie? Inception. Great time, man. It was great evening. Gave away an iPad. Young girl won that, and we got ourselves some friends now. Braden did fantastic, and sun's going down. But we'll see you guys in the next community. 12 hours. You're on camera, girls. Say hi.
Hi.
What are your names?
Molly, Chanel.
Molly and Chanel. Nice to meet you.
And Shamaya, my best friend. My
Shamaya, the best friend. So here we are, folks, here in Kugluktuk. We were just in Cambridge Bay. Before that, we were in Teluluiwak. And here now, we are in this final community of this particular tour. Braden's coming out the door here. We've got our evening meeting here just in a couple minutes, giving away an iPod, and really just excited. Here's our boy Wonder.
What's going on, man?
What's going on? You know, here we are, hope. We've been talking about hope in every one of these communities, and we're talking about hope again tonight. Stay tuned, folks. You all have a part of this. And so many people to be thankful for.
Absolutely.
Sending us here and being able to talk about hope and life, and you know, as a means of stopping suicide. Hope, who could imagine?
What's going to happen tonight?
Game changer, folks. Stay tuned. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
TSN Turning Point. Pew, pew, pew.
Well, there it is, folks.
That's it. That's all.
That's it. That's all. Man, I mean, tell me, how was that for you?
That was so good. It was unexpectedly good. Like,
Unexpectedly good.
You didn't expect that many people to walk in the room. They just kind of kept coming out of nowhere, and they were so receptive.
Yeah.
Like they really did connect with everything that we were talking about today.
You know, and that's really the universal thing about hope, is that it's for everybody, isn't it?
It is.
It's for everybody, no matter what the circumstance. There's potential to change, and certainly when you involve God in that process. I mean, come on.
Yeah, we had the chance to like open up. Steve shared really well about his story and what happened with him. I got to share my music and my own story, and honestly, like everyone who came up afterwards was just saying, you know, like, oh, I really connected with that. That's my story too. That's who I am.
And that's an amazing thing, folks. And this is new life. It's new purpose in these people's lives. Incredible. So, folks, thank you for sending us.
Yeah.
Hope is being realized. Hope is rising.
Come on.
And well, we're back at it in October.
We're doing this again in like 2 weeks, so I'm gonna go home and do my laundry.
That's right. Laundry, and then we're back on the road. That should be the title of this. Laundry.